So let's talk. You love the idea of a large, custom, high-end, single-family home, around 4,700 square feet, with most of the living space on the first floor. You love the idea of having 5 acres, level acres at that, and you would love the rural feel, but aren't really willing to sacrifice too much on the convenience aspect. If that sounds like a dream, then stay tuned because we're going to take an exclusive tour of this property currently listed for sale here. Hi, I'm Cullum Stirling, a local real estate professional here in Lebanon, Tennessee in the greater Nashville area. So proud to present you with this tour. If you have any questions along the way, jot them down, give us a shout. We'd love to help get those answered. With that, let's dive on in. Okay, so welcome again to 724 Bradshaw Road. Beautiful all brick exterior house. You've got some nice landscaping built in. One thing to mention, we have had heavy rains over the last 24 hours, so you are seeing this lot under wet conditions, which is good for you. Nice entryway. You already start to feel the really big entrance and the big feel this house will give you, especially in person. Nice little covered patio area. You can sit here, relax, and enjoy with watching the sunrise come up in the morning if you want, overlooking the front portion of your 5 acres onto the farm across the road. And then stepping on back in, this is the grand entry. You got the dual entry doors with the frosted glass. Not that you really need the privacy out here, but good to have. So stepping on in the front, this is your front main entry. Get that door closed. Welcome. Very nice feel to it, just spacious. Hard to tell if the camera does that, but walking right in, you're greeted by the great room. This is a look behind us of where we came from. I think what we're gonna do with this one actually is start with this great room and work our way back to that office room, to the secondary bedrooms, and then back to the primary space. So this is the great room. As you'll tell, you got lots of nice custom built-ins. You've got the stone surround gas fireplace. It's overlooking this beautiful covered back porch. We'll go out there in a little bit. Whoa. Great space. So you'll find throughout the house finished wood floors with a lot of natural coloring to them. So this is what is considered, I guess, the formal dining, or you could use it as an office depending on your needs. One thing you're going to notice throughout this house is all of the very large oversized windows giving the natural light throughout. No shortage of that. So what you're looking at here is 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom. So this is the front bedroom. All bedrooms in this house are wired for TVs. That's what you're seeing over there. And they're all also wired for ceiling fans. Hello, Cullum. So this Jack and Jill bathroom has a separate vanity on each side. You've got larger walk-in closets with your custom shelving throughout. And another thing you'll find in these throughout is your slide-in doors. So if I can use it right, you'll find slide-in doors for some space saving. Okay, and then this bedroom number 2 on the Jack and Jill. It's funny with the taller ceilings, these bedrooms actually feel a little smaller, even though they are actually really well-sized bedrooms. Okay, so let's move on. We're gonna now run through and check out the third accessory bedroom, or third secondary bedroom, along with what is considered a playroom or additional den. So this is bedroom number 3, secondary bedroom number 3. You've got your walk-in closet over there. This is your I guess equivalent of your guest bathroom. You've got nice gold accents in this one. I don't know if you can tell these counters, but they really go well. You've got the gray with some of your gold bronze touch in it. Nice bathroom. Another unique thing about this house is they've put vanities above all the toilets, something you don't really find too often. Obviously that's a nice additional cost. So this is the den or playroom. I suppose you could use it as an additional bedroom if you really wanted to. Go over there. Yep, that could be yours. Plenty of space for a pool, detached garage, whatever else you may want to put. Big storage closet in this one. Okay, now let's get on to the really good stuff. Okay, we're gonna come back to that. Kitchen. This is one I know a lot of people are gonna drool off. Talk about a place to entertain. Huge, I believe this is a 10-foot wide island. You've got the, let's look this side. You've got the built-ins underneath, or extra storage underneath. You've got a full high-end GE stainless steel appliance package. Cabinets from floor to ceiling. And then again, look at these nice countertops. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but gray with some of those gold bronze hints. So built-in or cabinet, under cabinet microwave, dual ovens, dishwasher, not just one dishwasher, but two, in case you have that big of a party hanging out, or maybe you're just a little lazy and don't feel like emptying dishwasher number one that day. Gas range. And then off of the kitchen, you've also got, I guess, what you could use as a separate eat-in. You do have the wine cooler, along with the separate ice maker. Beautiful natural wood look finishes on this one. Oh yeah, one thing to mention, you do have a secondary patio as well, covered. All right, on with that one. Let's get into the primary bedroom. So primary bedroom on this one, situated on the opposite side of the house from the secondary bedrooms. Very nice large bedroom, lots of natural light. You do have exit to the rear of or to the outside patio. And then check out this bathroom. This bathroom is bigger than most bedrooms. One vanity on this side, all the storage space you hopefully need. You've got those tile with some of the grays and the gold accent in it. Here's your vanity number two. And then check out the shower. Huge shower. You got your dual shower heads. One on that side, one on that side. In case you're interested, you do have a private commode. There we go. You notice the vanities above the toilets as well. And then now for the closet. You've got two separate sides. I guess we're one for each partner. We'll start on this side. Custom drawers, cabinets, shelving. If you are able to fill up this closet, then you and I are on different levels of clothing. This is the utility closet, direct access from the primary bedroom for ease. Okay, so now just to give you a gauge of where we are, that is the kitchen to the right. This is the entry to the garage over there. We'll go in there in a second. We're going to go check out this pantry. lot of space in here. You've got the built-ins to make it easy taking those shoes and things on and off, hanging those coats. And then up there's the bonus room. We'll get there in a second. We're gonna look in the garage right now. This is something I also drool over. Huge 3-car garage, 3 separate doors. You've got the epoxy flake flooring. And one unique thing, a lot of windows to keep that natural light coming in. And that door does go outside, of course. Alrighty, on upstairs. So bonus room, this is the only space on the second floor. If you haven't realized that, really nice bonus room. We'll start here and then make our way to the rest. You got some built-ins, so plenty of space for storing all the games and stuff. That is your attic entry. Hey, I should show you this. One thing about this house is it is built for efficiency. Where's the light? You've got the foam insulation throughout it, walls and attic. Some decent storage space up here if you really needed to use it. But yeah, nice little perk. Okay, so bonus room. Many bonus rooms, you'll find carpet in them. Not this one. You've still got the wood, the finished wood. Again, lots of natural light, but a great place if you want to come up here and make some noise, not really disturb the others. Another thing I forgot to mention is if you haven't noticed, all outlets are in your baseboards, so it helps give that cleaner look. Okay, so with that, let's head on out. We're gonna go check out that back patio. I don't believe I've left everything off. Check this out. There's a couple of unique things on this one. You've got the tile flooring. Well, yeah, this is tile. Okay, you got the tile flooring. You got the gas fireplace, you got the ceiling fan. Another thing I forgot to mention, you've got the speakers throughout the house. And one really unique thing about this house, again, showing how all in they've gone. You'll notice this is screen. You've got power screens that come up and down. I wish I would put them down, but honestly, I don't know how to lower them. You've got the mount for the TV. Great space. That's that additional back patio. Sidewalk goes all the way around. Yeah, beautiful. So that is it for this property tour. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to put those in the comments or reach out directly. If you would like a private tour of this property or have any questions, again, reach out directly. I would also like to thank Christine Powell. She is the owner and listing agent for this property, so I appreciate her allowing us to help showcase it. With that, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, then you should be able to see 2 more or another one up there somewhere. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. Thanks for joining, and we will see you in the next one.